I again welcome you all to Shri Rama Bharati Public School online classes. I, Gurpreet Kaur, welcome you all to your computer class. Today again we will continue with the same chapter number 3, that is parts of a computer. Chapter name is parts of a computer. In the previous class we have learnt the additional parts of computer, that is UPS, microphone and speaker. UPS, microphone and speaker. But in today's class we will learn the other additional parts of computer, that is printer and scanner. Printer and scanner. First we will learn about printer. Printer helps to copy pictures or text on a sheet of paper. The printed copy is called the printout or hard copy. What it means? It means that a printer is used to copy the pictures or text from the computer on a sheet of paper. It means the pictures or the files that are stored in a computer, and we want that pictures on a sheet of paper, or we want to store that pictures in our notebook. Then what we will do? We will take the printout of that notes from the computer. This all is done with the help of printer. The printed copy that we take on a sheet of paper is called as printout or hard copy. It is also connected to CPU box or system unit with the help of wires. Basically, this is the printer. From here we enter the page, and from this side we will get the final printed page. Now we will again try to understand that what we are doing in the printer. Here this is the screen and this picture is stored in the screen. This is our computer screen and one picture is there on the screen. What we want? We want that picture on a sheet of paper. What we will do? We will select this picture and give the print command to the printer. What printer will do? Printer will print that picture on a sheet of paper. Finally we get this picture on a sheet of paper. This is called the printout or hard copy of that picture. I hope it's clear. We select this picture, give the command to the printer, and after that we get that picture on a sheet of paper. Basically, this all is the work that we done with the help of printer. Now next is scanner. What is the use of scanner? See here, it also looks like a printer. But what is the difference? With the help of scanner, we can transfer the text, documents, pictures or photos into the computer. With the printer we take pictures from the computer. हम कंप्यूटर से बाहर निकाल रहे थे पिक्चर्स को, but with the help of scanner we can put pictures into the computer. हम अपने पिक्चर्स को कंप्यूटर में स्टोर कर रहे हैं. Okay, I hope it's understand. Now see, here this is the picture on a sheet of paper. We want that picture to store in our computer. What we will do? We will take this picture, give it to scanner and give the command of scan. when we give the command of scan, our computer, our monitor, on our monitor, this picture is scanned and shown here. First, we will take this picture, put it on the scanner and give the command of scan. After that, after scanning, this picture shows here on the monitor. It means that picture is stored into the computer. It means that picture is stored into the computer. So this is the difference between printer and scanner. Printer gives pictures to the user from the computer, and scanner gives picture to the computer from the user. Basically, this is the major difference between these two. I hope it's clear to everyone. Today we have learnt about printer and scanner. So for the next chapters or for the next videos, stay tuned with us. Everyone, bye-bye. Have a nice day.
I, Gurpreet Kaur, welcome you all to your computer classes. Let's start with our topic.